Hello everybody, this is Jeff at eTrailer.com. Today we're going to take a look at the Curt T-Connector vehicle wiring harness with the 4-way flat trailer connector. Now this is a custom fit part. It is designed to fit the 2020 to 2022 Ford Escape vehicles. And on a custom fit part like this, I do like to recommend for you to go to our website, use our fit guide, put in your year and model vehicle, and it'll show you if this will work for your application. Now this will provide a 4-way flat trailer connector at the back of your vehicle to power your trailer signal lights. It is compatible with 5-pole, 6-pole, and 7-pole adapters that we do sell separately on our website. And this kit does connect very quickly and easily. All you have to do is locate your connection points, which are in the rear cargo area. Plug in these T connectors. There's one for each side, one on the passenger side, one on the driver's side. Ground your white wire, and then run your power wire to your vehicle's battery. Now on the Ford Escape vehicles, usually it's in the front of the vehicle, or I think the hybrids do have the battery located in the spare tire compartment. So it could be in either one of those applications, either at the front or in the spare tire compartment. It does include this taillight converter box here, this black box, and that's to ensure that your vehicle's wiring will match that of your trailer. It is a power module, connects directly to the battery to avoid overloading your vehicle's electrical system. This converter box is constructed using SMT technology, which is surface mount technology. Gives you more consistent, reliable performance. It'll maximize your trailer light yield and intensity while producing minimal heat. Ensures superior operation in rough road conditions. If you notice, it does come with this nice dust cap for the 4-way that you can attach to the 4-way, and you can leave it on there if you prefer. But what this is used for, if you're not plugged into your trailer, you can just put this cap over there and it protects those terminals from the elements and from any damage. A few specs on this. The maximum amperage on the stop and turn light circuits is 3 amps per circuit. Tail and running lights is 6 amps per circuit. Does come with everything laid out here on the table. Nice set of instructions that'll describe where your connection points are and how it all goes together. But just to go through it briefly, again, what you'll do is go to your rear cargo area, and then you'll find your plug-in connectors, one on each side. It'll tell you in the instructions where they're located. But we'll start on the driver side, and we'll take the one that has the yellow wire in it. That's for driver side. And you'll unplug it, the harness, and plug this in it. Take your other T connector with the green wire. That's for the passenger side. You can see it's a length of wire, so that'll run over to the passenger side. Plug that into the harness there. Once those are all plugged in, you can run your length of wire with the 4-way on it out towards the back. Now this converter box has a little weight to it, so you don't want it bouncing around. You want to attach it to a good flat surface. It does have a tab with a hole in it you can put a screw through, or they do include a piece of double-face tape you could use. Once that's attached, you'll have 2 wires to connect. The white wire for the ground has an eyelet on it, so you need to find a nearby ground and attach it to. If there isn't one nearby, they do give you a grounding screw that you can make your own ground. And then that last wire is that power wire we talked about earlier. This will have to go to your vehicle's battery, and they do give you a length of wire and a fuse connector to connect that. And as I mentioned, on a lot of the Escapes, it's in the front under the hood. On the hybrids, it's usually in the spare tire compartment. So what you'll do is take your connectors, put a butt connector on this, connect it to one end of this length of wire, run the other length of wire to your vehicle's battery. Now you don't want to run it directly to the battery. Once you get to your battery, you want to put this on the butt connector on the other end, put one end onto the inline fuse holder, and then on the other end of the fuse holder, put the eyelet connector, and then connect that to your battery. Once it's connected, pop open the fuse holder, take the included 15 amp fuse to protect it, put that in there. Once it's in there, put your cap on there. And just like that, your system's all hooked up and ready to go. If you notice, they do include some extra cable ties to take up any slack in any of the wiring. But that's going to do it for the review on this Curt T-Connector vehicle wiring harness with the 4-way flat trailer connector.